This is our Camino. The Camino is about the beginning of a new journey we barely understand. We've read books, heard stories, even watched movies about this walk, but nothing quite prepared us for the reality of it. It's our first Camino, and each step is a new discovery about the trail, about each other, and most of all, about ourselves. The Camino is about the simplicity of walking. Back home, our lives are filled with endless tasks and obligations. Here, we have one focus: to walk. To put one foot in front of the other, through fields, forests, and small villages, letting go of the pace we're used to. Along the way, we pass fellow pilgrims who greets us with a warm
Buen camino!
a wish for a good journey that lifts our spirits and reminds us that we are not alone. We begin to realize that the rhythm of our footsteps brings a kind of peace, like a heartbeat steadying us, helping us to unwind the layers of busyness and stress we've carried so long. The Camino is about facing challenges, ones that we never anticipated. Our bodies ache in ways we never thought possible. Blisters, sore muscles, and that constant exhaustion that hits us. And then there are the steep climbs and the rocky roads, paths that seem designed to test our determination. There's no easy way around it. We're forced to push through discomfort, learning that strength is not always about speed and endurance. Strength is about resilience, about continuing even when the going gets tough. The Camino is about letting go of control. We plan so much, our route, our stops, our gear, but almost immediately we learn that plans change. Some days we end up walking more miles than we thought. Other days, a beautiful spot invites us to rest longer than planned. The Camino teaches us to let go of expectations and to accept each moment as it comes, even if it's unexpected or imperfect. Here, life is simpler, and we learn to go with the flow. The Camino is about discovery of the world, of others, and of ourselves. Every day we meet fellow pilgrims from all over the globe, each with their own reasons for being here. Some on a journey of faith, some of healing, and some are just looking for something they can't quite name. These strangers became our companions, sharing their stories over simple meals and under open skies. We start to see that our own stories, our own struggles, are part of a much larger tapestry. The Camino is about humility and reflection, a journey that challenges our assumptions and opens us to self-discovery. We arrive believing we know how far we'll go or how strong we'll be, only to face struggles we didn't anticipate. In those moments, we learn to slow down, accept help, and embrace our limits, finding humility in admitting we don't have it all figured out. And that's perfectly okay. At the same time, the solitude of the Camino allows us to reflect deeply, free from the distractions of our daily lives. The Camino is about gratitude and discovering joy in life's simplest moments. Each sunrise, every cool breeze, and the relief of a meal after a long day feels like gifts, gently reminding us of the treasures we often take for granted. Gratitude grows in the simplicity of the journey, teaching us to appreciate what truly matters. Joy too reveals itself in an unexpected places. A morning mist over the rolling hills, the laughter with the fellow pilgrims, or the quiet satisfaction of reaching a chapel after a steep climb. These seemingly small moments carry profound meaning, showing us that joy isn't something to chase or create, It's already woven in the fabric of our days, waiting to be noticed, embraced, and cherished. The Camino is about kindness and faith, woven into every step of the journey. Kindness is found in small, thoughtful acts, like a local offering a warm meal, or a fellow pilgrim sharing a free hug, or a cheerful that lifts our spirits. These gestures reminds us of generosity and that we are never truly alone. Alongside kindness, faith becomes a quiet companion. Faith in God for some, others faith in the journey. With every step, we learn to trust a little more, to trust that the road will provide, that we have what it takes, and that each challenge is a part of a bigger picture. Faith on the Camino isn't something grand or dramatic. It's quiet, steady, a companion that grows stronger with each mile. The Camino is about winning, not in the sense of racing or competition, but in choosing to persevere. Winning meant finishing a day's walk no matter how long it took, or rising to continue when every part of us wanted to stop. It is not about being the fastest or the strongest, but about being present, determined, and open to whatever the day may bring. When the Camino was about to end, reaching the final stretch, and realized we've made it, the blisters, the climbs, and the rocky roads now feel like part of something greater. We are proud of the miles walked, friendships made, and the resilience discovered. The familiar
Buen Camino.
from a fellow pilgrim now carried a bittersweet comfort. But more importantly, the Camino leaves us with a new perspective, deeper gratitude, and enduring faith. As we return to our daily life, the spirit of Camino will remain with us. The journey may be over, but its lessons will guide us for years to come, one step at a time. The journey is calling. Are you ready to walk your own Camino?